Turn around. Now bring her there. Now tell the wall. Can you back her up? No, 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 no. No, no, no. You go to her chest. You pull the bit to her chest. Say back.
Back.
Aha. No, no, no. Here. Here. Come right here. And go back.
Back.
Pull it.
Back.
No, you can. No, stand right here. And then pull it to her chest.
Back. Back.
Now tell the wall.
Wall.
Okay, now come up in front of her. Now walk to Dad's car and then come back.
Wall.
Good job. Now give her a pet and say good girl.